Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about the AP24 Whitening Fluoride Toothpaste by NuSkin. So this toothpaste is by, like I said, it's by NuSkin, and it's, I guess, been around since 1984. This toothpaste has no peroxide, no bleach, no baking soda, and it's supposed to be really good at whitening your teeth. It's Fda Certified, and it is anti-plaque 24-hour protection. I have seen this all over Facebook recently. People's before and after photos where their teeth are really yellow, and then all of a sudden after using this toothpaste they are very, very white. The main ingredient in it is water. You can see that it has hydrated silica, sorbitol, aluminum hydroxide, glycerin, and just all of the other ingredients there that you can read. But like I said, it's supposed to whiten your teeth without peroxide, bleach, or baking soda, which are things that usually give your teeth, cause sensitivity in people's teeth. I have been using this now for about 4 months. This is my second tube. The one tube is supposed to last about 6 to 8 weeks, and I would say that that's really accurate. Brushing your teeth twice a day. It is a 4-ounce tube, so it's like a normal, I would say it's not like a giant, but it's a pretty normal size tube of toothpaste. I will say, the reason that I did go back for that second tube is because I love how it makes my mouth feel. It helps make my teeth feel. It just leaves my teeth feeling really, really clean and really fresh. It has like a mild vanilla mint flavor, and when I brush my teeth with it, I really do feel like, maybe not quite like I just walked out of the dentist office, but it's pretty close. So that is the main reason. I have actually not really seen too much of a difference as far as it whitening my teeth. Maybe like a little bit, but nothing like what I've seen other people post about. It's a very, very almost a non-existent difference. I did take a before photo just so that I could see for myself, and I don't know, I didn't notice that much of a difference. However, I do like the fact that it makes my mouth feel super, super clean. So for that reason, I will probably continue to buy it or to use this. Just like any other toothpaste, you know, it's for adults and children 2 years and older. Recommended to brush your teeth at least twice a day with it. Yeah, it says to consult a dentist or doctor, so them say that. So just maybe, this one is supposed to be all natural, so, but you know, it is always good to still consult your doctor or your dentist whenever you're going to switch to something. I didn't, because who actually does, but you know, everyone's different. It is made in the USA, and yeah, so let's just go ahead and open this up. It has the little, when you first get it, you do have to twist the cap open because it is sealed, so you have to take the little piece of foil on this that's covering the mouth of that off. Then after that, you don't have to twist it open anymore. It has just a little snap right here. Just snap open and squeeze. It is a little hard for me to squeeze it sometimes because it almost feels, when I got it, it almost felt like a little bit messy. It almost felt like there wasn't that much in there, like it wasn't really full, but it did last 6 to 8 weeks. I'm trying to think how long like a regular tube of toothpaste would last, and I can't think of it. I've never really paid attention. I paid attention to this one just because it was such a new experience with this one. So I don't know, is 6 to 8 weeks normal. If it is, then it's, yeah, but it like doesn't feel like there's actually like much in it, but it did last a while. But you do kind of have to like squeeze it at different angles to actually get the product to come out, because it's a little wonky. It like doesn't want to come out, but it does have more of a consistency rather than like a chalky paste, which is another thing that I really do like about it. I don't like the toothpaste that kind of have like a chalky feeling to it, like it's really actual paste, like it's actually pasty, like type of thing. I do like the ones that have more of a gel-like consistency, and this one does. So, got that all over my hands now. Cool. So yeah, just for comparison, I can take a, let's see, coffee mug so that you can see like the size of the bottle or the tube. It's like really kind of close. So yeah, I would say it's like the size of a normal tube of toothpaste. Not like one of the really big ones that's going to last you forever. But yeah, it has a number on the back if you have any questions. It has all of your inactive ingredients on the back, your warnings, which is your regular. It doesn't have any like crazy warnings, like if you use this it may cause this or this or this. It just has a warning to make sure you keep it out of the reach of children. And just, you know, try not to swallow too much of it. And if you do, call the Poison Control Center. So yeah, overall I really like this toothpaste. It is meant to whiten your teeth, and I personally did not see much of that. But if you're looking for a toothpaste that is going to really make your mouth feel super fresh and super clean, I really recommend this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.